In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $15,251 in commission with TikTok affiliate marketing using organic free traffic in just one single month, in the month of September, from the first day of September until the day 30, and it's paid. Okay, I already received this money in my PayPal account and it's paid, as you can see over here. Okay, this is my invoice. So anyway, I want to share with you guys step by step which services or which product I'm promoting on TikTok, how you can use TikTok to get free traffic and promote your affiliate links and increase your commissions and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I'm making every single month over $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. So anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using TikTok, go to Google. Step number one, go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each services you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying some good commissions, and for some services you can earn up to $150. Okay, so this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You will just need to answer next few question and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you will promote on TikTok to earn commissions. So I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on TikTok. What you will do, go back to your home page on Fiverr, go back to this home page, click on the search for Tik TikTok editor. Okay, search for this one, TikTok editor, like this. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Okay, let me show you. Okay, we'll search for, so sorry guys, I will search again for this service. Okay, TikTok editor. And search, like I said, search for this one, TikTok editor, and I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Okay, always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, they have good reviews, those people will trust those sellers and they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. Okay, so I will edit TikToks and Reels. I will search for professional edit your TikToks, Reels. This one looking good, you guys can see. So I will choose, for example, choose like top rated sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So for example, I will choose this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see the seller has 2 orders in queue, a lot of reviews, people keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers, which is really good. What you will do next, you just need to copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link. So let me show you. Just click on deep link like I said and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, just need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. So before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. We will scroll down. Let's check his video. It's really good. This video explaining this service to these people who are interested to get TikTok videos editing to make their TikTok videos more engaging, more professional, to get more views. What you will do next, double click on the video, click on save video, and save this video to your laptop. Click on save, and here you go. After you finish, go back to Google and search for Canva. So we'll use Canva to edit this video so we can upload this video on TikTok. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. This will be your home page. It's for free. Click on video. And what you will do next, so let me show you. Click here on TikTok video, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. This one about TikTok editing or TikTok editor service. Click on open. Your video will be uploaded. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this. Okay, you see. What you will do next, so just make this video like this. Click over here on background and click on background color and choose black color. Then click over here on text. Scroll down, click on this, choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I will use this one. You will click on this one, and your text style will be in the front of your video. I will delete this one, decrease the font size, put this text here, and write this sentence. Check. Okay. And write this sentence like I said. Check link in my bio to get editor. Okay, like this. And here you go. I will put this text here, duplicate, put this one here, and our video is done. It's looking good. I will click on share and click on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to your TikTok account and open TikTok account. It's for free, it's easy. Click on upload this TikTok video to your TikTok account. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new Fiverr affiliate account, you will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and they still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your TikTok account and put your affiliate link in your bio, and that's it. Start promoting services that will help people on TikTok to grow their TikTok account, to get more views, more engagement, and you have a lot of services that you should start promoting on TikTok related to TikTok. If you want to promote a lot of services, you guys can create an affiliate marketing website, and you will put all your services that you want to promote on TikTok in your website, and you will put your website link in your bio, okay, in your TikTok profile bio. So people who will visit your website, they will find all the services there in your affiliate website, so you can promote unlimited services. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in this description, and they will get back to you. I'm very happy to help you step by step to start this business. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys don't need to take TikTok seriously, because TikTok has 2 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from TikTok if you stay consistent, if you do it correctly, and if you keep doing more research and keep learning, stay consistent. I can guarantee to you that you will start making your first commissions just in the first few weeks. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.